So let's talk about working with an accountant. First of all, if you have a business, you need to have an accountant, not a tax preparer. And let me tell you what the difference is. A tax preparer is somebody that you go to once a year. Maybe you talk to them during the year, maybe they're giving you some advice, but that's not an accountant. What an accountant does is in real time look at your finances to make sure that you're not paying too much in taxes, that you're paying the minimum amount of taxes, and that you're in compliance with everything. It doesn't happen once a year or twice a year, even four times a year. That's not enough. You need to be working with an accountant that is hands on. If you have a small business, you need to be able to go to them with all of your tax and financial questions. You can't do that with the bookkeeper. So if you're doing your own bookkeeping, fine, all the power to you, but you still need to be talking to an accountant to oversee your books. If you have a bookkeeper, you need an accountant to oversee your books. Just because the bookkeeper is doing your books doesn't mean that they're accurate. Okay, bookkeepers and accountants work together. Now, when the owner decides to be the bookkeeper, that poses a problem. It always poses a problem because unless you're a bookkeeper, you shouldn't be doing your own bookkeeping. I'm a CPA and I don't even do my own bookkeeping. I'll go through the numbers with my CFO, but I'm not doing my own bookkeeping. And eventually my goal is to have my own accountant because right now I'm doing my own taxes. But the truth is that you're better off with another set of eyes. I'm doing a lot of stuff, some sophisticated stuff. I have different entities, so my situation might be a little bit different than yours. uh, but that's the crux of it, folks. You need to have an accountant. If you're in business, please get an accountant, a good accountant that can explain things to you in layman's terms and that you can go to with all of your questions and not have to wait, 3 or 4 days or a week for them to get back to you. All right, that's my story. I'm sticking with it. Stay tuned for the next episode of Basic Bookkeeping. That's what this is.